Hello everyone, welcome to Digicate IAS. I am Ronge Patil. So we are starting intensive mentorship program for this year's mains 2024. This program has given more than 60% success ratio in the past years. Like last year, we have Saikiran Nandala who has secured All India rank 27, as well as we have Apoorv Balpande who has secured rank 546. Alright, so basically in this program, each and every aspect of the mains preparation will be taken care. So let's go into detail. So in this program, the first and the foremost thing that we will have is daily answer writing. Alright, so basically you will be qualified for the interview and you will be getting selected in the final list. That will depend on how many marks you score in the mains examination, and how you will score these marks. It will be dependent on your answers. Alright, so answer writing is of extreme importance when we think of the mains examination. So in this answer writing, first and the foremost thing is addressing the exact demand of the question. Alright, so many students do not understand what kind of question is being asked and how to answer that question in a particular way. Alright, so exact addressing the demand is of extremely important thing. Next thing is effective introductions and conclusions. Again, so when examiner is going to read your copy, first he will have the first impression from your introduction, and after reading the conclusions he is going to put the marks. So these two things are of extremely importance. Alright, next thing is body part. In body, you need to write precise points, and these points should be logical and argumentative. Alright, and these points should be substantiated with particular data as well as examples, and somewhere figures can also be used. So this will enrich your answers and your answers will stand out in the competition. So this kind of thing will be taught in this program. And next thing is structure and presentation. Alright, so when this question is asked, you need to make proper structure. Alright, and you need to present in a proper manner. Alright, that's why these aspects, these parameters are also important. Next thing is, while I'm saying writing introductions, writing conclusions, as well as writing effective body part is important, then but how to do it? We have to do brainstorming for that. So brainstorming sessions will be there, live sessions, we will conduct live sessions, as well as we will have one-to-one interaction, one-to-one brainstorming sessions, and through that brainstorming sessions we will try to bring multidimensionality in your answer, how to connect one subject with other subjects. Let's say for example there is one question in society, then that society will need to be connected with other subjects like Indian economy or environment or ethics. So how to do that? That we will discuss, that we will take care in this brainstorming sessions, and ultimately your thought process will be built up. So there will be many questions where you will not be having any idea, or there may be some questions where you will have to connect 2-3 topics together and you will have to generate the answer on this spot. So for that reason you will have to build your thought process. Alright, so this thing is of extreme importance, again I'm saying, while we were thinking about the answer writing. Then you will be given evaluation as well as regular one-to-one feedbacks on your answers. To understand these aspects more clearly, let's go through one answer of All India rank 27. Alright, see, this is the answer. So the question was, examine the role of modern liberal economy. Examine the role of modern liberal economy in the process of empowerment of women in India. So this question is from society. Now see, for such kind of questions, first of all, as I just said, you have to make proper introduction. So this is the introduction. Alright, so this is a 15 marker question. So this is a 15 marker question. So your introduction should be exact according to the demand. Your introduction should be brief. And it should be addressing the exact central theme of the question. Alright, then let's understand the body part. Now see, positive contribution of the modern liberal economy. Now here this answer talks about economic empowerment. So see, here economic dimension is covered, then social empowerment. This social aspect is covered, then cultural aspect, all right, then global aspect, and so on. So this is how multi-dimensionality should be there in answers. Next part is, see, here is example. So your answers should also have proper examples wherever it is required. You should substantiate your points wherever it is possible to substantiate with proper data, facts, examples. All right. Next is, see, he is talking about certain shortcomings. So this is another aspect of the answer. So writing just only one part is not going to suffice, as this is a 15 marker question and it is an analytical question. So you will have to write the second part, that is the negative aspects of this particular point as well. That is, what is the modern liberal economy's contribution in the empowerment of women. So what are the negative consequences of this modern liberal economy for the empowerment of women? So this aspect has been covered in the second part. So see, next part is, you should also have solutions or way forward in your answer. So whenever you are talking about some issues, whenever you are talking about some criticism, you should always put some conclusions. You should always write some solutions. All right, and then there is this final closure, or I will say it is a proper conclusion. So again, whenever you are writing a 15 marker answer, you should have proper closure. So such kind of answer writing will give you maximum marks. So I will give you 8 marks out of 15. So if you are able to secure such kind of marks, then you will definitely score good in UPSC mains examination as well. All right, so for that reason, we have to learn what is answer writing and how we should write the best and competitive answers in the final examination. Apart from the answer writing, we will also have intensive mentorship for the preparation of notes making. So the answers that I showed you, such kind of answers can be represented or can be produced in the actual examination only when you have your proper notes with you. All right, so this notes making is of extreme importance. Why it is important? Because you will have to write 2 papers on a single day. All right, so that means you need to write for 6 hours, right? 6 hours. And what time is left behind? It is only 5 to 6 hours. All right, so within 5 to 6 hours, you will have to revise 2 complete GS papers. So for that reason, you should have your own short notes. So how to make these short notes? That kind of guidance, that sort of mentorship will be provided in this program. Then you should also ensure you have quality as well as enriched content. All right, quality and enriched content, so that content can be directly produced in the paper. Next is precise points and with substantiating data, facts and examples. All right, so only when you have sufficient data, facts, examples with you in your notes, then only it can be produced on the paper. So we will make sure that in your notes you will have such enriched and quality content during this preparation. Apart from that, we will also have your own personalized plan, then some specific strategies and daily schedule management. All right, and we will give special focus on ethics, essay and other high-yielding topics. So these ethics, essay and other high-yielding topics plays very crucial role while clearing the examination or clearing the mains examination. Why I am saying this? Because if you are going to clear the prelims examination, then you will understand there is this role of some basic subjects like polity, economy and geography. All right, so in the similar way, there is this ethics, essay and other high-yielding topics like Indian society, all right, security. So these topics are the areas where you can score maximum marks. All right, so other topics like science and technology, environment, these are some difficult areas where you will not be able to write efficient and effective and competitive answers. All right, so it happens with each and everyone. So we will have 3 rounds of preparation in this program. First round will be of 50 days, in which you will complete your first round of revision and you will cover each and every aspect of the given syllabus as well as PYQs, and we will have daily 3 questions or a daily 3 questions practice. Then in second round it will be of 20 days, it will be of 20 days, and we will have mini mocks, and this mini mocks will be 18 in number. All right, and then round 3 will be there, it will be of 10 days, and it will be UPSC simulation, and we will have full length test. The way UPSC conducts its papers, so we will also conduct papers in the similar manner. All right, so this is a comprehensive package, and these 3 rounds will ensure you touch and you cover each and every aspect of the preparation, and moreover you will also be able to cover, you will be also be able to have more 2 to 3 revision rounds. All right, so these many revision rounds will be more than sufficient for mains examination. So we are starting from 22nd June. All right, and if you want to get more details, you can call me on this number, or you can visit the website digicateias.com, and you can enroll yourself. Thank you for watching.